What's up, Money Life TV? Welcome to my channel. I welcome you to my channel. You know, we love making money. This is just like a money life where you learn how you can make money online. Yeah, live the life of freedom that you deserve. Be your own boss. Have time for your families. Travel and take vacation. Travel and take vacation. Tourism. Money Life TV. Live the life that you deserve to the fullest. I believe Money Life TV is not comfortable with 95. Working 95, man. You gotta be smart in order to make money online, man. If you don't have a skill yet, you need to have a skill that will help you to do what? To make money online, You can be promoting a product as affiliate marketer, or you can be working as a photographer and you do video editing, graphic design for companies and logo making, web design, virtual assistants, you can do virtually anything online for people that are willing to pay you. You can be a writer, a book writer, a novel, a songwriter, name it, whatever you know how to do. Money Life TV, you can do it and make money online. What's up, man? Money Life TV.